Hey everyone, if you're starting a business, launching a YouTube channel, or building a personal brand, creating a professional-looking logo is easier than ever with Canva. You don't need any graphic design experience because Canva offers thousands of customizable logo templates. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to make a logo in Canva step by step. So let's get started. First, sign into your Canva account. Then type logo into the search bar or click Create a Design and choose the logo template. Canva will open a new canvas with the recommended dimensions for logo design. Next, browse through Canva's logo templates and choose one that matches your brand or style. Yeah, starting with a template can save a lot of time, and every part of the design can be customized later. Now replace the sample text with your own business name, brand name, or channel name. Then customize the colors, fonts, icons, and layout to create a logo that reflects your identity. I mean, you can edit almost every element with just a few clicks. If you'd like to personalize your logo even more, open the Elements panel and search for icons, symbols, shapes, or illustrations that match your brand. Try to keep the design simple so it looks good at both large and small sizes. Before downloading, zoom in and check your logo carefully. Make sure the text is easy to read, the colors work well together, and the spacing between elements looks balanced. Yeah, a clean, simple logo is usually the most memorable. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG for most digital uses, or choose another format that fits your needs. If your Canva plan includes transparent background support, you can enable that option to create a more versatile logo. And that's how to make a logo in Canva. With customizable templates, easy editing tools, and a huge collection of icons and fonts, Canva makes it simple to create a professional logo for your brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.